morning, grade 5. Today we have to do unit number 1, lesson number 1 from the book Oxford Progressive English. You are required to open page number 2. Now, what is the name of the unit? Expeditions. What is the name of the unit? Expeditions. What is meant by expedition? Let's see. Expedition is a journey undertaken by a group of people with a particular purpose, especially that of exploration, research or war. So this means expedition is a traveling from one place to another for a specific purpose. Whenever people they travel from one place to another to achieve something, that can be hiking and looking for some extinct species of plants, something like that. That can be studying some specific areas. That can be anything. They have to travel from one place to another for any particular purpose to attain any specific objective. Now, before I will start reading, I will tell you the rules. You have to listen to me very carefully and you have to read with me, because we have to answer the question given. What is the question? Talk about the picture. What have they just done? Now, whenever we talk about something, what we have just done, we use a form of a verb which is present perfect tense. And for present perfect tense, we use has and have. Okay, is it clear, children? Whenever we talk about anything which we have just done, so we always use has or have. Now, in the sentences which we are going to study, or the sentences I am going to read for you, you'll notice he, s is written at the beginning of each and every sentence. His is a short form or contraction for he has. Okay, children, is it clear? He is the short form or contraction for he has. We write he has in the short form as his. What is the pronunciation of his? His. Here I have written for your convenience. Now, picture number 1. What is the man doing? What is he holding in his hand? Have you ever seen this tool before? Okay, what is this? Let's read. He's just broken his spade. So this is a spade. Now, what is a spade? It is a tool which is made up of metal and it typically has sharp edges. It is used for digging or cutting earth or sand. Is it clear, children? You can see the spade. The spade is broken. Now, what is happening in picture number 2? Oh my God! His hand is hurt. And let's see what happened to him. Look! Oh my God! He was working with the hammer. You can see there is a hammer in his hand. He's just hurt his finger with the hammer. Okay, now let's see what is happening in picture number 3. He's just found a coin. Look, now what has he found? He's just found a coin. Now look at the other picture, the next one. What is she holding? What has she dropped? She's just dropped her knife. She's just dropped her knife. Now let's move on to picture number 5. What is she doing? Is she hanging with the washing line? No, of course not. There's a bucket full of clothes. She must be putting clothes on this washing line. She's just put up a clothesline. She's just put up a clothesline. No, oh my God. She's just cut her hand. What has she done? She's just cut her hand. Because she was working with the knife. It is dangerous. Always handle knife carefully. What is this man doing? Oh my God, is he cooking something? But I cannot see any of the utensils or anything on the fire. What is he doing then? Let's see. He's just lit a fire. He's just lit a fire. Okay, the last picture. Oh my God, what happened to this boy? Let's see. He's just fallen off a cliff. He's just fallen off a cliff. What is a cliff? Hey, here you go. Cliff is a steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. This is cliff. At the edge of the sea. Steep rock face at the edge of the sea. This is a cliff. Now children, we are going to start with the exercise. What you have to do, you have to play a watch and guess game. What you have to do, you have to play a watch and guess game. You have to play this game with your siblings or with your cousins. You have to do an action and they will guess what you are doing. For instance, you can do an action of cutting something with the knife and you have to say ouch, and your cousins or your siblings will reply, oh, she has cut her finger with the knife. So you have to do the actions very clearly so your cousins or your siblings, they will guess the answer or they will tell you what actions are you doing. Now move on to the last question. Practice questions and replies. You have to make 5 questions and you have to ask those 5 questions from your mother or any of your sibling. For instance, can you play basketball today? What is the reply? Sorry, I have just hurt my finger. Now what is the question? Next question. Can I borrow your dictionary? Now what is the reply? Sorry, I have just lent it to somebody. Have you got it? Now you have to make 5 questions like, can you play with me? Or, can we go outside today? Or, can I help you? Or, can I have a glass of water? Anything like that. You have to make 5 general questions and you have to write their answers as well or replies as well. Is it clear, children? You have to practice questions and replies in your notebook. Best of luck.